Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a personal shopping business with Instacart step by step clearly. To start a personal shopping business with Instacart, begin by researching Instacart's services and how it operates. Understand the market demand in your area for grocery delivery services. Create a strategic business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and pricing structure. Register for an account on the Instacart platform as a shopper. Complete the application process, which may include a background check and a vehicle inspection. Set up direct deposit so you can receive payments directly into your bank account. Familiarize yourself with the Instacart app, including how to accept orders and navigate the store. Identify popular local grocery stores and establish a route for efficient shopping. Market your services through social media, local community groups, and word of mouth. Offer personalized services, such as custom grocery lists or specialty items, to attract clients. Set competitive pricing while ensuring your rates reflect the quality of your services. Stay organized by keeping track of your orders, expenses, and customer feedback. Utilize marketing strategies like promotions or referral discounts to expand your customer base. Maintain a strong customer service approach by being responsive and accommodating to client needs. Continuously seek ways to improve your service based on customer feedback and market trends. Monitor your earnings and adjust your business strategy as necessary to increase profitability. Stay updated on Instacart policies and local regulations affecting your business. Focus on building lasting relationships with your clients for repeat business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.